is Hiccup, and Hiccup has come a long way, and he still may bounce around on the leash a little bit, but he didn't walk on a leash whatsoever when we got him, so he's come a long way for as little work as he's had with a leash. But Hiccup is around somewhere between 8 and 10 months old, and we think he's probably an Aussie Border Collie type mix, and he loves other dogs, and he's very spunky and very playful and good with people. He's a little nervous in new situations, and that's okay because he doesn't seem like he'd been handled too much when we got him a couple of months ago. So, like we say, he's come a long way. He's fully vetted, so he's already heartworm negative and neutered and vaccinated and all that good stuff, and he's very, very lovable. He just needs to learn what it means to be a family member and learn all the things. But if you're interested in meeting Hiccup, he is available through Paw Pals of Hale Center and can go on any of the Project Freedom Ride transports. He's absolutely gorgeous, and we think he's incredibly smart. He just needs lots of puppy dog training, don't you? Yeah, him's a good boy.
I can't walk that way.
Hiccup, where are you going?